I'm redoing the store shelf. These shelves used to have fish tanks on them, but now we are gonna fill them up with the Royal Menu. So this is basically how the shelf was before, when the fish tanks were on them. And oops, stuck. Yeah, so basically the fish tanks were resting over here. I'm gonna add these pieces so that we can use them as a shelf. And instead of screwing them down, I'm gonna nail them down with the Dewalt 15 gauge nailer. This is the what is this? This is the DCN, oops, can't see it, DCN650. This is the 15 gauge nailer. I'm using a 2.5 inch, let me get a good focus on that, 15 gauge 2.5 inch nails, and basically I'm just gonna do one on each side. Just to hold it in place. That is on there now. And then I will move down to my next shelf. Actually, I could just move all this food to the side. Our store is Discus America, discusfish.store. Check us out. So right there, those are good. Scoot all of these to the side over here. I got 2 more right there. And those are on the other side over here too. I got a couple. Makes life easy. That is the Dewalt DCN650. This is the 15 gauge nailer. I just got the 21 degree framing nailer, so I will be posting a video of that soon. But that's it. Dewalt 20 volt XR brushless 15 gauge nailer.